Alright, so I'm going to be talking about the short straddle in this video. The short straddle is different from the long straddle. In fact, it's the opposite of the long straddle, in which the short straddle is directionally neutral and the long straddle looks for significant gains or losses. It's looking for significant price movements for the underlying asset. So back to the short straddle, you want the stock to stay relatively neutral. So how do you assemble it? Sell a put at first, and then you sell a call at the same strike price. Or you can do it vice versa. You don't have to sell a put first. Okay, I think we all know that. So you have your short straddle. They're both at the same strike price of 52.5 in this case. And I don't know why Robinhood doesn't recognize it as a short straddle. It says custom, but it's a short straddle nonetheless. Okay, so how do you calculate the break-even points for the lower limit and the upper limit? Well, you simply add the strike price by the premium you receive, but you don't multiply this by 100 yet, okay? You don't ever even multiply it by 100, but it's $83 you're receiving. So 52.5 plus 0.83, and this will give you your upper limit, 52.5, 53.33, okay, and we'll see 53.33. all right, that's your upper limit. Now you do 52.5 minus 0.83. okay, so 51.67. okay, so 51.67. okay, there we go. So we have our lower limit and our upper limit. That's how you calculate them. So you can see at the cusp here, at 52.5, you receive $83. Well, we already received $83. So what does this mean? Well, this means that if the stock expires at the price of 52.5, exactly at 52.5, which is highly improbable, but if it does, you just keep all your premium, okay? So inevitably, you won't be able to preserve all your premium because it's just so improbable of the price expiring exactly at 52.5. But, if it goes down a little, you're still making profit. Remember that. So just stay in this zone of 53.33 and 51.67 within. This is a weekly contract. This expires in 2 days, 3 days. So just stay in this price range for 3 days and you're good. You'll make money. It's not a lot, I guess, in this case, but it's all relative to the investor. Now let's get to the collateral, all the different types of collateral. I'm using my personal account because I have 100 shares of ARC-F, but I don't have the 5250 in my account freely flowing. So in the other account, it just wouldn't show all this stuff, so I'm just using this account. So you need 100 shares of ARC-F because you are selling a covered call, and you need the collateral of $5,250 because you're selling a secured put. So the downside to a short straddle is that it requires so much collateral and all different types of collateral. But if you're a good shareholder and the stock is relatively neutral, you should be pretty good. I mean, it's been relatively neutral, just consolidating around 54 to 50, right? So you would make a lot of profit over the months of implementing this short straddle strategy. Okay, and that's it for this video.